Welcome to our channel where we share amazing ideas and tips for transforming your home garden. And this video, we will show you some genius ideas for your home garden that will not only make it look beautiful but also make your life easier. Have you ever wished for a garden that takes care of itself? Well, we have some great ideas to help you achieve that. Let's start with our first idea. Vertical gardens are perfect for small spaces and can add a pop of color to any wall. Plus, they are easy to maintain and don't require much space. You can even grow your own herbs and vegetables in a vertical garden. Now, let's talk about another genius idea that can save you time and effort. Raised garden beds. Raised garden beds are a great way to keep your plants organized and easy to access. They also provide better drain, which is essential for healthy plants growth. And the last part is you don't have to worry about weeds invading your garden. Next, we have an idea that will add some ambience to your garden. Fire pits. Fire pits are perfect for chilly evening and can add a cozy atmosphere to your garden. You can even use them for cooking, making them a great addition to any garden. And finally, we have an idea that is both beautiful and functional. It is water features. Water features are a great way to add some tranquility to your garden. They can also attract wildlife, such as birds and butterflies. And if you have a pond, you can even keep some fish for added entertainment. So there you have it, folks. Some genius ideas for your home garden. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great ideas and tips. Thanks for watching.